Right, so I cleaned up all in here, mostly. Just need to get in there a bit and just clear that last little bit of residue, mud residue that's in there. But more importantly, I need to clean this. I'll clean this side out. That one in there. It's a little bit milky. So yeah, I just need to flush this out. Yeah, that white stuff all needs to be flushed out. That's the new filter. I might put the old one on. Yeah, I just need to get rid of all the leftover grub. So I'm going to fill it up with some oil. Okay, I've put this back in. There's a new filter in there, which is maybe a bit wasteful, but I'd rather just put a new filter in. I've got another filter, so it's fine. And now I'm going to fill this up with some oil. Some nice cheap oil. This was, I think, let's see, how much was this? This was under 20 quid. How much was this? £11? And I got another one of these as well. So I've got 10 litres for like 22 quid. Not bad, eh? Well, probably not great, but whatever. Just stick it in there and see what happens. Yeah. Okay, 2.5 litres. Most of it went in. Right, let's see what happens. Spin this up. Warm it up for a bit. Right in the bike. Get it up to temperature. Okay, it's probably just annoyed all the neighbours. Been having the bike idle. Now it's nice and hot. Yep, let's change the oil. Oh no, camera got oily. That's better. Well, camera's now got oil on it, but whatever. Let's see, is that better? Is that better than what it was before? Already there is improvement. Oh, I'm going to need to change the milk a couple more times until that runs clear. All work is on hold on the custom cub at the moment. I'm in my garage, just putting the BMW back together. So yeah, what have I done? Well, it's had a full service. Filters and all that have just been changed. The this battery terminal had corroded a bit and was damaged. This actual, like the threads, so I've had to change to this one. It's really good without the motor back ones because they have two. So if you have a lot of accessories, you can always wire them to the rear ones. So yeah, the positives there, the negatives now at the back. It all fits. Don't worry. Yeah, I'm just thinking about sat navs and stuff for this year. I've just been looking around because I think I've finally had enough of my old one. It does still work, but when you're going, it's okay for England, but going abroad and stuff, trying to update the maps again, it just takes so long. I think it's had its time. 10 years is fine, you know. And plus, if I want to load custom routes on it, it can't take GPX files now because they're all new. So I want to get a new sat nav. I don't know which one I'll get. I'll probably go with the Garmin again. I'm just having a look around online. Something like that. A Garmin will be fine. So yeah, just service this thing. Now I need to put it back together. Yeah, because I've been busy doing the CRF and the BMW and all that, it just hasn't left me any time to really do the custom cub stuff. Unfortunately, I'm slowly getting there. The CRF's still poorly. Yeah, just trying to work out why. A couple more, well we know why, drowned it, but a couple more oil changes I think. And maybe it'll be okay. I need to get all the filters. Filters are still haven't all come yet, but when all the filters do come, swapping the filters round. It's actually leaking a bit of oil as we speak right now. oil change number 5. Okay, so I'm going to run this bike probably 100 miles total and then see how it is, but there's a moment of truth now in my garage. Let's have a look. Still milky. Right. Well, I'm going to run it for about 100 miles, see if I can get all of this milk out. Hopefully this stops happening. Right, so I just thought I'd, yeah, that's what I'm up to with the bike. So it's still coming out oily, not great. I've only done about 20 odd miles on it, on that oil, so I'm gonna, well, probably do 100 in total or something, take it for a blast, a proper good run, to see if I can get rid of all of that milkiness, because it just keeps going, keeps going to milk, so yeah. Not sure exactly what to do. I've had some suggestions, paraffin, putting diesel in it, filling it with WD-40. I mean, that is a water displacement, so that, yeah, that might work. Yeah, but I guess the safest thing would be to keep flushing it with oil, but oil isn't really good at flushing anything, I guess, so yeah. Not sure exactly what I'm going to do, but yeah, if you've got any suggestions, leave it in the comments below, but the best one is get a new bike. That's the best suggestion I have. Just get a new bike, get an off-road bike, get a decent bike. So I was like, oh yeah, fair enough, maybe I should chop it in and get something else. I don't know which sucker would buy it. Clearly not a subscriber. Nah, I wouldn't sell that bike on. It's got such a bad history, I wouldn't get a lot for it. Anyway, so now I've got a spare hour or so, I thought I would continue working on this bad boy. So maybe I have a video to post on this in the next week or so. Damn these lights, damn them. Anyway, that's it, I guess. Thanks for watching, and yeah, make for an update on this in the near future, hopefully. Because I've pretty much got everything now. Could be running soon, maybe. We'll see. Yeah, that's it. Okay, thanks for watching. Ciao.